Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you love luxury makeup and are wondering whether Prada blushes are really worth the premium price, this video is for you. The first thing you'll notice is the luxurious packaging. The compact feels sturdy and expensive. The design is sleek, modern, and minimal. Now let's talk about the formula. Prada blushes have a silky, smooth texture. They feel lightweight on the skin. The powder is finely milled, making it easy to blend. The pigmentation is balanced. One light layer gives a soft, everyday look. Adding more layers creates a stronger pop of color. This buildable formula helps reduce the risk of applying too much product at once. Blendability is one of Prada blush's strongest features. The product spreads evenly across the cheeks. It doesn't leave harsh lines. It works well with foundation, concealer, and setting powder. Prada blushes generally last several hours without fading significantly. With primer and setting spray, the color can stay fresh throughout the day. So, are Prada blushes worth buying? If you enjoy luxury beauty products, appreciate elegant packaging, and want a refined, easy-to-use blush, Prada blushes are an excellent option. However, if you're mainly looking for the best value for your money, there are many excellent drugstore and mid-range blushes that deliver similar performance at a lower price. Ultimately, Prada blushes are about the complete luxury experience, not just the makeup itself. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future luxury beauty reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.